So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to click on change advanced power settings. Then we're going to scroll down and then expand USB settings. Then you want to expand USB selective suspend settings. You want to make sure that this is disabled and then click on OK. Now for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. Now once you're on this, if your USB has been recognized on this, you want to right click on it and then click on change drive letter and paths and then click on change and then just change the letter to anything you want and then click on OK and then click on yes and then see if that works for you. Now for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to expand universal serial bus controllers. Now once you're on this, you want to find your USB. This one's mine right here. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best driver has been installed for your device, then you want to close this out and then right click on it and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall. Now once you uninstall that, you want to head over to action and then click on scan for hardware changes and then your USB will appear again and then see if that works for you. Now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Once the scan's been completed, you want to restart your computer. But if you try these 4 methods and it's still not working, try to plug your USB into a different slot. But then if it's still not working, then it's probably broken.